Hi guys. So just wanted to come on and talk about a problem that my car had. So initially it had a bad battery, so it used to just pop up like two lights, which were emission problems, and then one for the electronic parking brake, where this red one would start flashing, and then there's a yellow permanent parking light, and then there's a yellow engine light. So till now, like, I didn't have any solution to that. I just had to go to a mechanic and just get them cleared. And then first time I got my battery replaced, and then yesterday I was just driving around, and then I started having the same issue where the lights started popping up. I'll just put the picture in the thumbnail, so in case you guys face the same issue. So what we have to do now is I found a fix online, and then it's pretty easy. So you gotta just turn off the car, and then just to be safe, just open the door, close the door, and then without pushing the brakes, just put it on the ignition option. So like press the button twice for the start, press it once, and then press it twice, and then the ignition is going to be on for the car, but the car is not going to be on. So just don't turn on the motor. And then within you start the car, within 5 seconds, push the accelerator all the way through, and then you just gotta wait for like about 10 seconds, and you gotta wait for it until the check engine light goes off. So for me, luckily both the lights went off. So like this is just after that happened. Now the red light for electronic parking brake is on because I have parking brake on. If I just turn it off, it goes off. And then the flashing one went out, the check engine went out. So to explain it a little bit further, what it does is like it starts the reset for the transmission. So it starts learning how you drive, and then what's your use with the car and all that. So it starts learning you again. So it resets the transmission, so the emission problem goes off. And then I don't know how the emission problem is connected with the electronic parking brake. I think so when you drive it a little bit too hard, this is when it happens. Like if you try to slide it, or if you try to just push it around, that's when this problem occurs. But just push the gas pedal for like 10 seconds on the ignition option, and then until the light goes off, and then you just start up the car, and then it's basically brand new.